Hi, uh, let's see what happened today and what will going to happen tomorrow. Today Nifty gap up open, not sustained, came down, again gone up, again came down due to Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty is fully not supporting into the markets. Previous support is now acting as a resistance. 9040, 30, 50. I told that's a resistance yesterday itself. Today itself is reversed around that range only. 9030 ranges is reversed. It came down. Okay. And then now support it seems around 8800. Okay. Let's see it's hold or not. For that Bank Nifty should support. I hope 8800 will hold. If in case if 8800 below means directly go to the 8650 ranges. Okay. If you see the Bank Nifty, some support around this area 7100 to 7000, sorry, 17000 to 17200 ranges. Okay, I hope almost another 500-600 points downward possible Bank Nifty, then possible of Bank Nifty is going up. In my view, below 16,500 fresh selling is start. That is more fresh selling means at 2000 points also possible below 16,500. I hope that 17,000 to 17,200, 17,000, 16,900 will make some supports for Bank Nifty. I hope that's it. But below 16,500 with volumes, I am not bullish on the Bank Nifty. Okay. Today has a fallen. Today also, starting I am telling Axis Bank is not strong, falling. SBI without reason is falling. I am telling it will go to 150. Okay. When around 165, I told is going down to 150 because it's broken the support of 173, 175 ranges. So surely it will go down to 150, 155 ranges. Okay, 2.45 like that. So SBI is not supporting, Axis Bank is not supporting. Okay. From morning, only one supported ICICI Bank. Okay. If you see the Nifty or Bank Nifty chart with ICICI Bank, both are the same. Okay, it came down. Later it gone up. Bank Nifty also gone up. Again it came down. Bank Nifty came down. Nifty also came down. So the support for today is ICICI Bank only. So then came down. As usual, Bank Nifty came down. So Bank Nifty should support for holding of 8,800. Let's see how it will go. Okay. But Bank Nifty is good support around 17,000 ranges, 16,900 to 17,000 ranges. Let's say that things. And today, as we discussed yesterday, Bharti Airtel today good gain on that. Hope I posted on Telegram also. Hope many make money on that. So above 555 go on buy it out. Low is 557 only. This went up like that only. It's 96, 96. So all are bullish kind of higher high only. If you buy at this candle low means surely you will get a more benefit. Around 558, 560 if you bought now, surely you will get very good gain today bar there. Okay, let's see what about Bajaj Finance 12 results. If you see Bajaj Finance, the 9 this ranges 1920 getting some supports. Low 1920, high 2090, low 1916, 2300, like that. So until 1920 is safe, go and buy. Okay, for at least 2100 target. Below 1900, don't go for buy. It's a fresh sell start in Bajaj Finance. Okay, so keep in remember 1920 to 30 is a big support. Okay. So I already told one thing. If one share price is moving up, means without reason it won't go up, like that only. Head of Bharti Airtel results is creating higher highs only. Okay, it's going up only like escorts. Okay, so market knows something. So only today went up. Okay, up to 600. Bajaj Finance, keep it this level for your reference. Okay, and another share, this week start. I already told about Ultratech chart. So even smaller cement companies also producing good results. I hope Ultratech also will produce good results. Let's see how it will doing tomorrow. I hope. Let's see that day. Today went up 4%. You see this area 3292 ranges. Okay, 3292, 327090 ranges is forming some support around that ranges. Last 1 month. Okay, 329030 ranges, 329060 ranges, creating some supports. Okay, it's going up until 3600. Hope that 3300 ranges will hold. I think so. Until that, above this range 325060 ranges, you can go and buy for Ultratech cement. Below that, fresh sell will start. Don't go for buy below 3260 ranges with the volumes now. Okay, so 327090 ranges is a good for buy. Okay. At least my target is on 600. I hope if it holds something now. Okay, so this is about Ultratech and Bajaj Finance. So for tomorrow rally, SGS Nifty now up around 90 points. Okay, for tomorrow also Bank Nifty should support for the markets. Okay, so let's see how it will react tomorrow. Bye.